Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Yes, today we are making carrot oil. Carrot oil is actually a very wonderful oil to have around the house, just to incorporate in your skincare routine, especially if you're looking to have that luminous skin, just glowing skin, just add a little life to your skin. This is the oil to go for, and today we are going to learn how to make it the right way. So without further ado, stay tuned. So you will need carrots. This is I'm using 2 carrots. This is pretty large and is already washed and cleaned. Make sure you clean it very well. And I'm going to go ahead and just peel the skin with the vegetable peeler and just get it ready for our oil. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, yes, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. This is a great way to help support my channel, help me grow, and I will really appreciate it. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button and on that notification button so you don't miss any other video from me. So once you're done peeling your carrots, you're gonna just cut the ends off like I'm doing now, and we are going to go ahead and wrap this carrot into a smaller pieces, and I'm gonna use a grater like this one here, and I'm using the smaller holes. Some great things to know about carrots: it is a very natural moisturizer. It also a natural sunburn protection. Carrot is very rich in antioxidant that will help protect your skin from free radical damage. It can also help moisturize your skin and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, things like that. So it will eliminate dark spot due to aging, or just acne scarring or hyperpigmentation. So it is a very good oil for glowing and brighten up your skin. Carrot is also very healthy oil in promoting healthy hair growth. It is very healthy and very high in minerals that promote healthy hair growth. It's very high in vitamin E, vitamin A, and potassium, which will strengthen your hair and prevent hair loss as well. So this oil can be used from your head to your toe, basically, for your hair and your skin. So I am done scraping this carrot, and it's pretty nice and fine, and it is pretty juicy right now. So what we're going to do, I am going to go ahead and transfer this into this pan. Is clean and dry, and I'm going to transfer my carrot into this pan, and we're going to I'm going to use 100% coconut oil today. That's just my oil of preference. There are many oils that you can use, or the oil of your choice, and it should work just perfect. So today I am using coconut oil for my preparation, and I'm gonna pour that oil in there, make sure everything is soaked in, and I am gonna take this to the stove and cook it just a little bit. And while you cook it, you just want to make sure it's on low heat, guys, on low heat. You don't want to burn this out. You want to cook it for probably like 30 minutes on low heat until all the juice in the carrot is gone. And that's all you need. It's just to get rid of that water the juice that is inside the carrot. So after I let my carrots cool down a little bit, I'm going to transfer it into this a container, into this jar. I'm just putting it here so it just makes it easier for me to transfer it into this jar. And make sure it has a lid that you can just cover it up. And I'm not gonna drain this right away. As you guys can see, I'm gonna keep it in this container for 24 hours just to make sure that I have all the juice out of these carrots. Okay, I want everything infused more, getting everything that I need out of this carrot into the oil. So guys, it's been 24 hours. This is the next day, and I make sure this has been there for at least 24 hours, and it's time for me to drain this oil out. I'm using a cheesecloth today to make my process easier for me, just because it just helps me just keep all the particles out of my oil. So just go ahead and pour out the whole carrot out of the container and just drain. I'm gonna squeeze it out and drain it completely out so that you can separate the oil from the carrot. So guys, our oil is ready. Just look at the richness of this oil. It almost looks like a red oil. It's not like that yellowish, no. It has to be as deep as possible. This is how you know you got everything out of that carrot. The next thing you need to do is just find yourself a container with a lid where you're gonna pour this oil for your own application. This oil can be used on your lotions, on your face and body, for your hair, anywhere you need this oil. This oil will change your skincare routine, especially if you're looking to fade away your dark spots, your acne scars, if you have hyperpigmentation, or you just want to have that overall glowing skin that just have that light into it. This is the oil to go for. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet again, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family, help this channel grow. Click on that notification button so you do not miss any other videos from me. In this channel, I do DIY videos on hair and skin. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.